Hi. Hi. Hi, I'm Turks and Jerps. Welcome to the VSpeed Monthly Mayhem posted by Skill Builders Guild and Harley Designs. There's supposed to be an intro. List the other competitors. Harley Designs, Skill Builders Guild, K-Pop RC, Tomley RC, RC Review, CCXRC, West Desert Wheeler, and myself are going to try to make this Vanquish VS4-10 Phoenix straight axle go as fast as we can. Make a prediction of your speed goals. I'm going to try to go 35 miles per hour. Briefly discuss your approach. I'm just going off script here. I'm going to put fast motor in and I'm going to try to go fast. The goal is to push a VS4-10 Phoenix straight axle version to reach the highest top speed. The rules are as follows. It must use a VS4-10 Phoenix F10 straight axles. The axles may be upgraded if desired, but still must be F10. That's these. Must use VS4-10 chassis rails. Must still use suspension. Must use the Phoenix body. Body can be trimmed and modified as desired. Forward propulsion must come from the mechanical drive of the axles to the tires. No rockets. No. Speed must be measured with GPS device such as GNSS, NGSNS, and GNS, or Dynamite GPS. 4S battery max. Must perform the work on the car yourself. Except paint. So I guess some people can't paint. Wheelbase must stay within plus or minus 2 inches. There are no limits on the motor, no limits on transmissions, no limits on wheels or tires, no track width restrictions, no restrictions on using two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or center differentials. Can I make it six-wheel drive? Listen, I had to. If you're watching this, it's been a month. Oh, God. Oh, boy. Can't wait. First things first, let's build the kit. It's already built, but you can watch me struggle to build it here. Okay, check out my speed parts. 80 turn brushed motor. Let's see how slow we can make this go first. Woo! Whoa. I will be using this GNSS performance analyzer to measure my speed. Okay, welcome back to the shop. We hit 2 miles per hour. I think we can go a little faster than that. I'm going to remove the VFD transmission. Let's audition this Stampede / transmission. So I did buy some cheap eBay shocks from TT01 to get lower, because I think that will definitely help with the handling and aerodynamics. So I'm going to throw these on. The Flexecutioner. On the shelf, waiting for parts. If we don't get them soon, we're going to lose the shop. Okay, Stampede transmission officially mounted. Drive shafts lengthened and installed. And some J concepts, speed run, wheels and tires. Alright. I found a random old Hobbywing speed control and motor. It's a easy run, 9 turn, 4300 kV, and 35 amp speed control. Got the GNSS mounted here. There's some foam to protect it if I crash. I found a smaller spur gear to put in my Stampede transmission. 31 tooth pinion I can put on after testing this. Okay, I went up to the 31 tooth pinion gear from a 23. Change the gearing again. Let's see what happens. Improvement of 5 miles per hour. at 41, but steering servo is not happy. Okay, I took it out for a speed run last night. First pass, I reached my new top speed of 42 miles per hour. However, got a little crazy and crashed pretty hard, blew the steering out, stripped the gears out of the servo. So I continued to make attempts with no steering, and you know, it was hilarious. Never got over 42. Got another couple runs to like 41 before I would just crash and explode. So we got a little bit of road rash and turf, and the driving surface was very rough. High traction, but it was like sandpaper. And on the last run, wheel fell off, lost the pin to the axle and let it rip. And this is some pretty bad body damage. But everything is still in one piece on the truck. So I'm gonna throw in a new servo and try to take a few more passes. That's pretty cool. I was doing a one-wheel burnout. It wore into the fender flare. It's pretty mangled. But everything underneath is cool though. Frame is straight. Axles are solid. I think that's the end of this. Gotta go fast. think that's... It broke.
It did. I would say it's done. What happened?
Catapult. It did like a million cartwheels. Oops, I borked my Turk. Let's get a closer look at the damage. I have not removed the body since I crashed it. This is the only piece that broke off. Never found the spring, but I'll never use those shocks again anyway. Took some of the field home with me. I like this view better. The zip tie held the body together a little. Pretty neat. Yep. Rod end tore out there, obviously. Okay, let's pop the body off. Unbelievably, after the crash, everything still worked. The motor still spun, even the fan still worked, the steering still turned. So I think the frame is bent. Still good. The bumper mount is broken though. Whee! So my original plan was to convert this back to a regular truck, scale truck, crawler, whatever. But I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Take the electronics out, put them back in my house, put the body on, and just throw it on the shelf as a reminder to go slow. Speed kills. Wow, what a wild ride that was. I'd like to thank Matt and Josh and Vanquish Products for inviting me into this monthly mayhem. I had a lot of fun. I exceeded my goal of 35 miles per hour all the way to 54, I think. 54, yes, I forgot. Ugh. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know any of the speeds of the competitors. I didn't do any aerodynamic stuff, so taking a VS4-10 to 54 with very little modifications sounds good to me. Excited to see what some of those guys that actually put effort into their trucks could do. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.